discuss what is release deed. A release deed or deed of release is a legal document that serves to discharge, extinguish, or waive a claim, right, demand, or obligation. These deeds are generally entered into when one owner of the property is given up the share in favor of the other party. Let's say you and your friend have a toy that you both want to play with. You both agreed to share it, but now your friends wants it back. With a release deed, your friend can sign a paper that says they are giving up their right to the toy and it is now yours to keep. This is similar to what happens with grown ups when they have property or money that they want to give up their right to. The purpose of the release deed is to transfer rights from one party to another party, thereby releasing the original party from any liability, claims, or obligations related to rights being transferred. Now, the document should contain firstly the date of release, then the statement containing a declaration about the waiving of the rights by the owner and a clear statement of the intention to release those rights. Third, description of the rights being released, including the nature of the claim or obligation, the amount being released, and any conditions attached to the release. Fourth, name, age, and address of the parties involved in the release. Fifth, signature of the transacting parties and the witnesses. The parties should sign the release deed in front of a witness, and the document should be notarized to make it legally binding. Release deeds can be commonly used for transferring ownership of assets such as real estate, vehicles, and other goods. When creating a release deed, it is important to ensure that the language used is clear, concise, and unambiguous. The document should also be drafted in accordance with the laws of the state where it is being executed. This will ensure that the document will be recognized as legally valid and enforceable. The release deed is commonly used in situations where a person wants to waive or release a claim or right, such as in real estate transactions, settlement of legal disputes, and in situations where a person wants to release a claim against another person or entity. In real estate transactions, a release deed can be used to transfer ownership of a property from one person to another. For example, a seller may use a release deed to transfer ownership of a property to a buyer, thereby releasing the seller from any liability or obligations related to the property. In the settlement of legal disputes, a release deed can be used to resolve a dispute between two parties without going to the court. So, for example, a person who has been involved in a car accident may use a release deed to resolve the dispute by releasing the other party from any liability or obligations related to the accident. So, I hope by now you all must have understood the term release deed. Comment below for any questions if you have. And thank you so much for watching.